Hello friends, in differentiation we now see differentiation of one function with respect to another function. Now see how we differentiate first function to another function. If y is a differentiable function of x, then we write derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Similarly, if u is a function of x and v is another function of x, we denote it as gx. They are differentiable functions of x such that du by dx is equal to fx and dv by dx is equal to g dash x. Then the derivative of u with respect to v is given by this formula: du upon dv is equal to du upon dx divided by dv upon dx. Or in short, we write derivative of function f divided by derivative of function g. See, first example we have to taken, which is also given in the book. Find the derivative of 7 raised to x with respect to x raised to 7. Here is u function is given as 7 raised to x, v function we find du upon dv. By parametric function rule, we write this as du upon dv is equal to du upon dx dv upon dx. Means we use the parametric function rule. Now consider first function u 7 raised to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we got its derivative du upon dx is equal to 7 raised to x into log 7. Derivative of, we use the formula, standard derivative formula for a raised to x into log a. Now secondly, we find the derivative for x raised to 7, that is function dv. dv upon dx is equal to x raised to derivative of x raised to 7, that is 7x raised to 6. Substituting these two values, second and third, in 1, we get derivative of first function 7 raised to x into log 7 divided by 7x raised to 6. We can also simplify it as this 7 is written into the top level also. 7 raised to x minus 1 into log 7 divided by x raised to 6. This is also the answer. Now second example. Find the derivative of cosine inverse x with respect to root 1 minus x square. U function, v function are given. By chain rule, we write it as du upon dv is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Take it as number 1. Differentiating now u this. du upon dx is equal to derivative of cosine inverse x, means d dx of cos inverse x. It is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. V is equal to under root of 1 minus x square. Differentiating, we get derivative of root 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square d dx of 1 minus x square. Now 1 minus x square चा derivative राहील तुमचा minus 2x. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled, so we get derivative minus x divided by under root 1 minus x square. Substituting the values from second and third in 1, we got du upon dv is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square minus x upon under root 1 minus x square. So du upon dv is equal to 1 upon x. Third example we have to. Sometimes we use substitution for solving the derivative of one function with respect to another function. Here given example is differentiating this tan inverse with respect to sine inverse function. फर्स्ट फंक्शनला आपण नाव दिलं u, सेकंड फंक्शनला v नाव दिलं. पॅरामेट्रिक फंक्शनच्या रूलनुसार आपण त्याला du अपॉन dx डिवायडेड बाय dv अपॉन dx दिलं. मग आता u फंक्शन घेतलं. दोघं फंक्शनसाठी आपल्याला एकच सबस्टिट्यूशन वापरायचं आहे. पुट x इज इक्वल टू टॅन थीटा. सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू टॅन इनवर्स ऑफ x. So u is equal to tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So finally simplifying, we got sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Simplify it again. So we got this cosine denominator is cancelled. So 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So tan inverse of 2 sin square theta upon 2. Formula for 1 minus cosine theta, and sin theta value half angle formula 2 sin theta upon 2 cosine theta upon 2, which is equal to tan inverse of tan theta upon 2. So tan inverse of, by using property of inverse function, we got theta upon 2, so half times tan inverse of x. So its derivative becomes tan inverse x से डेरिवेटिव मिळते du अपॉन dx ची व्हॅल्यू 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू अंडर रूट 2 इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर. मग पहिलं डेरिवेटिव्ह आपण या ठिकाणी काढलं यूचं. आता आपण सेकंड डेरिवेटिव्ह काढू. v फंक्शन दिलं आहे साइन इनवर्स 2x अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर. साइन इनवर्स हेच सबस्टिट्यूशन टाकायचं पुन्हा 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula for sin 2 theta. So we got finally 2 theta. Theta ची व्हॅल्यू पुटअप केली 2 times tan inverse x. So differentiating with respect to we get 2 into derivative of tan inverse of x. So 2 upon 1 plus x square. Substituting values of second and third in one, we get du upon dv is equal to 1 upon 2 1 plus x square divided by 2 upon 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus x square get cancelled. So 1 upon 2 divided by 2, it is 1 by 4. Final answer is. So in this way we can find the derivative of one function with respect to another function. Some problems are solved by using substitution method. So there are so many problems in the given book, you can just solve it. Thank you.